If there is one thing I've learned over the course of my professional career, it's that the job search process is nothing like what it used to be. Should you be networking? Wait, what exactly is networking today? Should you be working with a career coach, sending your resume to an insane amount of companies, just hoping you hear back from even just one? Navigating the search process is not an easy feat, and the reality, what's expected of candidates changes more regularly than you think. And that's where we come in. FloodGate Medical has operated as the leading MedTech recruiter for over 20 years. This has allowed us deep insights into what these companies are actually looking for and what you need to do to set yourself up for success. Every month, we go live on LinkedIn with our IMPROVING.Live series, highlighting commonly asked career search questions. These sessions are produced and streamed for the sole benefit of helping candidates like you get on the right path to their dream job. And the best part? These are always streamed live, meaning that we are actively taking your career search questions and answering them right there in that moment. So, if you don't follow us on LinkedIn already, give us a follow today to stay up to date on all of the career tips, tricks, and insights that we share. We hope to see you on our next Improving Live.